Mindanao belongs to all of us and our children, generation after generation. Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Ito karon kami mga Highlander. Aron mailan sa tanan katawhan sa Mindanao. Nang Highlander, mga tribo, usara kami. May tungod kay may history. Si Mamalo o si Tambunaway magsuna. Nasalipdan ka ng litrato ni Tambunaway o si Mamalo o nga pa litrato ni Sarip Kabunsuan na nakuha ko na sa archive sa Espanya. Aron ninyo masayran ng Mindanao, doon ka magsuon. Karon ang isa na-convert of Islam, ang amo na Highlander wala, apan sa kahirap, gira kung unsa mag-usa kami. Yan ang promise sa among lolo. Basawon karon sa akong asawa, ang history, short history lang ni Mandabon, ni Mamalo o si Tambunaway. Na kaning litrato, kaning litrato 16th century. Nakuha ko sa archive dito sa library sa Espanya. Patubang ni kay Chairman. Na kami sa Mindanao, kaning si sa 16th century kani na litrato na pagpaila na magsuon kita si Mamalo, si Raailas na amahan ni Tambunaway o si Mamalo na ang Arab missionary na si Sarip Kabunsuan 36 tribe. Ana karon kung naama gani si Dato Unad na chairman sa NICPD o si Attorney Lingatin kung naani ni karon ani kay mo basahon ka ng declaration of support. Na may declaration of support kay pirma namo sa all tribal citizens of Mindanao. They composed of 9 million ka-Highlanders sa 36 tribe. Mayroon kaming gitawagan ang magbasa unta sa among declaration karon.
Summits gathering here in Davao City. The Bangsamoro people of Mindanao, the Christians, indigenous peoples, and the Muslims are now united and one with the Moro National Liberation Front. Going back to history, the indigenous peoples and our Muslim brothers are descendants of the first people who inhabited the Moro land, Mindanao. I will tell you a short story that was also handed to us by the parents of Raja Carlito Buntas, Imanobot di Babawon, and many elders regarding the origin of the tribes. History of their predecessors was not written, but through their customary practices, they were obliged to narrate or pass on to generations the history of their ancestors. During the 14th century, a royal clan from Malaysia and Indonesia, Raha Ailas, his 3 sons and entourage, explored the island of Mindanao. His son Mandabon or Mamalo occupied the northern and southeastern Mindanao, where he established several settlements for his clan, while Tambunaway explored and occupied southern part of Mindanao, or the Moro land. Magno, the 3rd son, died of sickness during the exploration. In the latter part of the 14th century, Sharif Ali Saimulat Kidim, a member of the royal clan, left Hadramut, Saudi Arabia, to marry the daughter of the Sultan of Johor, Malaysia.